To the next video. In today's video I will show you how to do face detection in native iOS application using MediaPipe. So firstly I'll show you the output. So here I have my simulator running, and if I have one button called click me. Once you click on it, it opens the photo picker, and if I select one of the faces, here you can see it displays the selected photo inside an image view, but it also draws a bounding box around the face and displays how much confident it is. So here it is 93% confident. So I'll select another image as well. So here you can see it is 89% confident, and here it is 95% confident as well. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first, create a native iOS application. I'm using UIKit, but you can use Swift UI as well. Once you create a native iOS application, first thing which you have to do is you will have to open your terminal, cd to your iOS application and run pod space in it. It will create a pod file for you, something like this pod file. Just open that pod file and add this bit of code. Once you add this, close your Xcode. Again, go back to your terminal, cd to your iOS project and run pod space install. It will install all the required dependency for you, and then you will have to open the XE workspace inside Xcode. Once you do that, first thing you will have to download the model. So you can come to this documentation over here, and you can go to the model section and go to model, click on this model section over here, and later on you can just download this piece of model. So this is a TensorFlow model which will help us for face detection. Once you download it, just drag and drop inside your project. So as you can see, I've already dragged and dropped, but make sure this target membership is checked. Once that is done, I have copy pasted this overlay view. So if you remember, I was drawing this bounding box around the face. So I have just copy pasted this from the documentation, and sorry, even I won't be able to explain it to you, but basically it draws a bounding box along with the text of how much confident it is that this selected picture is of face. So for that, you can go again back to the iOS documentation, and you can open this file. Okay, wait, what is the name of the file? Overlay view. Okay, I think they have not given it over here, I guess. Let me just check. Okay, they have not given it. So what you can do is you can just open this face detector service.swift. Okay, and you can go to face detector over here, go to views, and here you can see this overlay view.swift. You can just copy paste this file, create a new file and copy paste entire bit of code. So that's what I have done. So if like, I will simply scroll through this. If you want, you can just pause the video and copy paste from the video itself if you want to, but yeah, sorry, I won't be able to explain it to you. Okay, so that's it for the overlay view. Next, what you will have to do is you will have to go to your view controller. I am not using storyboard. So first I have imported photos UI, as well as MediaPipe task vision. I am also extending for phpicker view controller delegate. Here I have created our button, our UI image view, as well as our overlay view. Then I have created this face detector options as well as variable for face detector. Once the view did load is called, I am adding a button, image view, as well as overlay view to our main view. Then whatever is the name of your TensorFlow Lite model, make sure you add it over here, and this is our extension. And if it is correct, then we are just assigning it to our options model asset path, and the running mode is image. Then we are initializing our face detector with the required options. Then I have assigned some NS layout constraints to our button so that it is at the top. Now the interesting part over here is, make sure you apply NS layout constraints to your overlay view first, and the same constraint should be applied to our image view as well. So if you see, the width and height is same as well, okay, as well as the the top anchor of our overlay view is at the attached to the bottom anchor of a button. Similarly for image view as well. Yeah, so that is the important part which you have to remember. And here I have just added a click listener to our button. So once the button is clicked, I am just checking whether the ph photos permission has been given by the user or not. If not, then ask for the permission. If yes, then just call the pick photo method, and here inside pick photo I am just calling ph picker configuration, and the selection limit is 1, and we are filtering by images, and we are opening the ph picker view controller so that the user can select an image. Also, before I forget this, make sure you add this privacy photo library usage description permission inside your info.plist as well. Coming back to our code, once the user has picked an image, the callback comes over here. So we are dismissing that photo picker. We are getting the first image, we are converting it to a UI image, then converting UI image to an MP image, then we are calling face detector.detect and passing our MP image to it. And once we have that particular result, we are assigning that image to our image view, this main image, not the MP image, okay. And then we are calling result.detection, and if it is not equal to empty, we are just calling overlay.draw, and we are passing all these required fields which are required, like the detection, image size, image orientation, edge offset, scale, aspect fit, everything. So yeah, that's it for iOS as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.